Alright, we got a 2011 Chevy Malibu with a cylinder 1 misfire. This is what I seen when I popped the hood after I took the front cowl off. You look right here, it looked like somebody else was doing something with the harness. You can see this is a aftermarket coil pack, so that leaded me to believe that spark plugs have been changed as well. I did change the coil over just to make sure the coil wasn't bad. I swapped it, it stayed on 1. I checked the plug in 1 and 2, swapped the plug, stayed on 1. I looked at the fuel injector, and the fuel injector has been changed. These 3 are the original ones. This one is different. So I didn't change the fuel injector. I did a compression test on all of the cylinders. Everything is within, 5 PSI of 150. So I was like, man, something is not right. Well, I looked at the fuel injector on the tip of the fuel injector. And on this one, I don't know if you can see it, but you can kind of see the spray pattern on the injector. Let's see if I can clean that up a little bit. You can kind of see the spray pattern on the injector. It's got like 8 holes in it. You can kind of see it. This one only has 4 holes on it. So I moved this injector to another one, and it actually solved the problem. It moved with it. So I moved this injector, took it from right here. You can see those 4 holes better right there. I moved it from this cylinder to cylinder 3, and it actually moved with it. You can kind of see it a little bit. You can see it on that other one right there. The pattern is way different. So we're going to put this injector in there, and that should clear it up.